coming back to BBC Gardens World Autumn Fair because of the customers and the great interaction we have.
There's a huge variety of plants here available, and you can walk around the stands, explore and take home your plants for your own garden.
The return on the investment is great. You know, we've sold lots of plants and it's brilliant for our brand awareness.
This is our first time exhibiting and it's been really good. It's one of the best shows we've actually exhibited at.
Yesterday was a phenomenal day. We doubled on what we did last year.
This time of year, believe it or not, some people are thinking of Christmas.
You know that the people that are coming through are here for a purpose. They're not just here for the show, but they're also here to spend some money, which is nice.
It's perfect because there's stalls everywhere that you can look at, and also there's lots of different types of stalls and plants as well.
It's nice to speak to the people in the tents and what they love to grow.
The thing I've enjoyed the most is all the different stalls and getting to chat to different people about different specialisms.
I had no idea how big it was.
People are all friendly and the organisers are really good. It's well organised.
You know, they've always been very attentive to us and listened to the concerns.
If you had any questions, you can call them up straight away, reply to email straight away.
It's a really positive experience to work with Immediate Live, BBC Gardens World.
If you've got a product you're proud of and you've worked hard on, you need venues like this because people who come to these events want to see top of the range products.
It gives you ideas, it gives you inspiration, but also gives you opportunities to stand out. And I think that's really important for us because that helps us be able to continue to develop our brand.
I would describe BBC Gardens World Autumn Fair as
Stunning.
lively.
Amazing.